I gotta be careful I don't fall down. Oh, I am exhausted. My limbs are numb. It's slick. It's getting dark. This is a mountaineering cabin. It's a shelter from the storms for people exploring the mountains here in Alaska. It was built by volunteers from the Mountaineering Club of Alaska. Sleeping bag. I'm super hungry and I want to cook some dinner, but I'm just gonna sit in this bag until I feel warm. Oh. You know, it's nice to just sit here and not be wet and cold. There's a foot of ice and snow on those rocks. And it's been snowing on and off all morning, so there's a really good chance I could get caught in another snowstorm. You know, this place is beautiful when it's not trying to kill you. I found my trail.